Hello friends, we are learning 6th standard maths decimals. In previous class we learned some about the decimals. What is the decimal? How to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fractions. Now here we are seeing convert into decimal. What to convert into decimal? For example, here this number is given 200 plus 6 plus 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. Now this is the expanded form. This we have to convert into decimal. How to convert? As you see the fraction numbers in the form, like here it returns. Here I return 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. As you see the numbers which are represented in fraction in this form, so that will become in a decimal. This numbers, fraction numbers will become in a decimal, and before fraction number will come as a whole numbers. Before fraction number as a whole number. So if you see the first number is what is first number? 6. 200 plus 6. So 200 plus 6, what, how much? 206. Point. Why point? Because fraction started. From where the fraction started, from there you have to put a point. Now 1 upon 10. 10th means first digit. So here you have to put here what? 1. So this 200 plus 6 plus 1 upon 10. If you want to write in a decimal, this you have to be add together, write it, and after that fraction started, so that means that numbers are coming after the point. That number are coming after the point. So that's why I put it here point. Now after that what is here? 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 means the first plus. Here I write. Now here you will come to know. Here what is there? 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. Here is only 10. So that answer is what? 10. The numbers this came in a fraction, so it will be point. Now you have to see, here I taken 100. So this is what? 100 is a second digit from the point. The point 1 upon 10 is there, so first digit after the point. 2 upon 100 means it is a second digit. So first digit is absent. The first digit is absent. So in the first digit, what I have to do? I have to put 0. Because here the 10th digit is absent. So in 10th digit, what I put here? 0. Now this is 2 upon 100. So this is second digit. Here is 2. Now next 5 upon 1000 in the third digit from the after the decimal. So here what? 5. Now this 100 and 1000 we remove. Why? Because here the decimal shows as it is. The decimal shows as it is. Now I will come to you. Now this number is there and you want to write in a fraction. That number you want to in a fraction. That number you have to write in a fraction. So how to write this? 206.1. So you will write in this way also. This number, this is in decimal and this is in a fraction. And the same number you can write in 2061 upon 10. As you remove here 1 0, so automatically the point will become here in this way. So you can write this in this way or this way. Here I will show you this number how to write. How to write this number? This number 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 5 upon. This number you can write in this way. So in the full form you want to write here standard form. So 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. This is one way in writing this way, or you can write the same number 10 2 upon 5 by 1000. The greatest you have to put here 1000, so that's why I put it here 1000. Here only one digit is 10. Here how many? So this one the 1000. So here you have to put 1000. So when you convert this number, automatically it will become as it is. Or you can write this number, or you can write this number by 1000. By 1000. When you convert this 1230, so it will become 1230 before point. So 10.025, 10.025, 10.025. Understood? So I will take some more examples so you will understand better actually what is going here. Otherwise you will get confused. Here I am taking one more examples, few more examples so you will understand easily. Now here I given 100 plus 50 plus 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 1000. Okay. This is in expanded form. Now this number I want to write in a what? Decimal. So how to write? As the fraction started, these digits, these numbers, these digits will become after the point. This you have to write together. 100 plus 50. How much? 150. So here you can write 150. As the fraction started, what you have to do? You have to put here point. Now, after putting a point, 10 plus is present. So what is the 10th place? 1. So here you have to write here 1. Now what happened? What I did? Here the 100 place is absent. So in the place of 100, what I have to do? I have to put here 0. I have to put there 0 because 100 place is absent. Now thousands, 1000 place is present. So what is there? 2. So this 100 plus 50 plus 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 1000. When you write in a fraction, write in a decimal. So 150.102. 150.102. Now the same number, if it is given here, write in expanded form. If it will be asked you this digit decimal convert into expanded form. This is expanded and this is the decimal. Now this you have to be converted to decimal. Expanded form, how to write? 100 plus 50. Like 100 plus 50 plus. Decimal means what? Fraction started. Now what is this? 1. So what will become here? 1 upon 10 plus. What is here? 0. It means what? 0 upon 100. So 0 upon 100 means if you show it's okay, if you not show then also okay. Here I didn't show. Here I am showing here. Not to get confused. If you write here it's okay. If you not write there. So there is 0. No need to write. If you write okay, no problem. Now afterwards is what? 2. 2. It is in which? 1000. See, 10th, 100th, 1000. 10th place is there. 100 plus automatic 0 and 1000 plus 2. It is in what? It is given in a decimal and what we did? We written in a expanded form. One more I will take so you will understand. Here I am giving you 123.02. Now how to write this in expanded form? 123.02. How to write? 100 plus 20 plus 3. 123. 100 plus 20 plus 3. 123. As decimal point started, it will become in fraction. Now plus. After plus, what you have to do? The 10th is what? 0. 10th is what? 0. So it will become what? 0 upon 10. 0 upon 10. Afterwards, what is there? In 100, 2 upon 10. Plus, 2 upon 100. 2 upon 100. So this is what? Decimal converted into the expanded form. Here 0 I showed 0 upon 10. If you not show this 0 upon 10 then also okay. Directly you can write here 2 upon 100. So automatically we understand that here 10th is absent. So which place is absent? In that place you can put a 0. So here is 0. So 10th is absent. It means that there is what? 0. That there is what? 0. So what we did? Standard expanded form you written in decimal and decimal you written in a what? Expanded form. Okay. Now this same numbers you can write in other way also. This number I want to write in a fraction. Now decimal I want to write in a fraction. Now here is what? 12.5. I want decimal write in a. Before we seen expanded we written in a decimals. Decimals we written in expanded. Now we are writing the decimal into fraction. We are writing the decimal number into fraction. How to write? You have to see the point. After point, how many digits is there? 1 digit. So you can write here 125. This whole number together. And how many digits before point? 1 digit before point. So here is what? 10. Here is what? 10. Suppose the number here is 0.75. It is a decimal. Now this number I want to write in what? Fraction. So this number you write together here 75 as it is. Now see how many digits from your right hand side, how many digits before the decimal is there? The point is there. So 1 and 2 digits before point. So below you have to write 100. Why? Because 2 digits before point. So 2 digits before means what? 100. And here one more number we are taking 1.235. This decimal I want to write in a fraction. So this number you have to write together total there 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Fraction I want to write. So before, how many digits before the decimal is there? 1, 2, 3 digits before decimal. So what should we come here? 3 digit means 1000. So thus this is the number. So these decimals we are converted into the fraction. This decimal we are converted into the fraction. How we converted? You have to see the number, whatever the number you have to write as it is, whatever the number you have to write as it is, whatever the number you have to write as it is, in the fraction, in a denominator, you have to check how many digits before the point is there. So here we see 1 digit before point, I put here 10. Here 2 digit before point, I put here 100. And here 3 digit before point, I put here 1000. So in this way, you can write any fraction into decimal and any decimal into fraction. Also, you can write any decimal into expanded form and any expanded form into the decimal. And here, sometimes you have to read the number and write the number. Here, read the number and write the number. How to read and write the number name? This is given here 12.5. How to read these 12.5? Now you have to be write the number name, decimal number name. How to write? Here you have to write 12.5. This is the writing the decimal number. This whole number you have to write together. This is 12.5. Now here 0.75. So this you have to write 0.75. Now this number how to write? 1.235. So you remember, after the decimal digits you have to read separately and write separately. Read separately and write separately. This was the reading and writing of the decimal. Now one more point we will take. So you will understand. So how to write the number, or if it is given here 2 ones and 5 10. Now here is given in a writing. Now this you have to write in a decimal. What is given here? 2 ones. 2 ones means 2. And 5 tenth came. So 0.5. 0.5. It is in a decimal. Now same number you have to write in a fraction. So 2 ones and 5 10. It is in a fraction. Now this same number you can write in this way also, 2.5 upon 10. So this what we did, this we written in a fraction. Sorry, here point will not come. 25 upon 10. This is in what? 2.5 in a decimal. This is written here. One more we will learn. One more we will write, so you will understand actually what. $30 and 1/10. What is this? 30 and 1/10. 1/10 means 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. It is in a fraction. Now decimal how to write? 30.1. Now this is in a mixed fraction. This converted into fraction. So it will become 301 upon 10. So these all are same. Please, you have to be focused more. If you are not getting, please revise the video. See how we are doing this. This is 2 ones and 5 tenths. 2 ones and 5 tenths means it is in a decimal. It is in a fraction. This is in a fraction. This is in a mixed fraction. This is in a what? Improper fraction. So here you have to be very careful how to convert this number into decimals, decimal into fractions, fraction into decimal, vice versa. And how to write the number name. That is most important. Now the next topic we will see that addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Now, when you do addition and subtraction, so you have to be very careful for the decimals. Add and subtract. Now here I am giving 2.57 plus 0.7. Please pay attention. 2.57 plus 0.7. While adding, the point will come below the point. That is most important. Adding or subtracting, both. So here it is given 2.57 and it is given 0 point below point, and point after the digit 7. Here is nothing in 0, here is nothing in 0. What you have to do? You have to be add. So what is this? 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 7, 12. Point. This is carry 1 and this is 3. So 2.57 plus 0.7. So when you add, the point below point will be must. I am taking one more example. Here I am taking 123.7 plus 50.257. Whatever the number it may be. So point below point must be there. So here 123.7. The point below point, before point is 50 and after point is 257. No problem if places are not there. In that places, empty places, you can put a zeros. But the point will come below the point, and after the point digit, after the point, and before the point digit, before the point. Don't exchange here and there. This you have to pay more focus on here. Now here nothing is means what 0, 0. Here nothing means what 0. This is addition. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. Point. 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. So 123.7 plus 50.257. So what is the answer? 173.957. Understand addition? Wherever, whatever is there, you have to just focus on the point. While doing the addition, the point will come below the point, and point after digit will become point after only, not here and there. Don't interchange the digits. Please, you have to be more focus here. So this was the addition. Now we will see the subtraction. Now what is the subtraction? I am taking here 77.25 minus 60.35. Okay, now subtraction 77.25 minus point below point. Here is 60 and here is 35. Now subtract it. Point below point should be there, and subtracting addition as we do our own numbers, the decimal also there. Now 5 minus 5 how much? 0. From 2, 3 will not go. So you have to borrow from here. This became a 6 and this became a 12. This 2 became a 12. 12 minus 3 how much? 9. Point below point. Now 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. So what is the answer? 16.90. One more number we will take. Here I am given 123.5 minus 90.789. 90.789. So how to do? Now 123.5 minus point below point. Here is 90, 2 digits before, and here 789. Now here is nothing in 0, here is nothing in 0, here is nothing in 0. Please, point below point, this you have to focus more. If you not press point below point, so again it is problem for you. So that's why point below point. Now subtract 0 minus 9 will not possible. So borrow from here, you cannot borrow from here. So this became was 4 and this became was 10. Now here borrow will come, this became was 9 and this became a 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Again 4 minus 7 will not do. You have to borrow from here. This became 2 and this became what? 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Point as it is. Now here is 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Now 2 minus 9 not possible. So borrow from here. This became 0 and this became 12. 12 minus 9, 3. So what is the answer? 32.711. So while doing addition and subtraction, please point below point you have to put must. If it is not there, again the answer will go wrong. So please watch the video twice, thrice, how much possible for you, and afterwards try to solve the problems of textbook exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. So you will understand. I will try to take one more lecture on this if possible. I will explain one more time. Okay, bye. Thank you.